What's up, you guys? Welcome back to His and Herbs. Today I'm excited. I'm gonna be going out to the garden, grabbing some collard greens or some of our broccoli leaves, and I'm gonna be making a potato and it was supposed to be a potato and kale soup, but hey.
Potato and kale soup.
Whatever you have in the garden, right? Whatever you have in the garden, just grab it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We are a big family and we started out eating the SAD diet, the standard American diet, all these highly processed foods that are made in labs and they're chemicals, and they don't really act right with our DNA, guys. And sometimes your weight is a direct effect of that. Your body will put on fat to literally protect you from these poisons. So sometimes you think you're eating too much, sometimes you're just eating the wrong thing. So we're gonna go out to the garden right now and we're gonna pick a few of these, few of our vegetables and add them to our soup. I'm gonna take you in the kitchen along with me, and I'll also be showing you how we make our favorite drink. It's very healthy, and I'm really a big proponent for heading things off. Don't wait until you get sick. Don't wait for until your children get sick. Go ahead and just start feeding them healthy things, and this drink is gonna be something that your whole family is gonna love. All right, guys, so let's go.